we're going to take a look at how spanning works on a Rimage system. Spanning is a process where if you have content that's greater than the capacity of the disk you want to use, the Rimage system will automatically warn you and allow you to span that content over multiple disks. It's really cool. So we're going to make a data DVD, and so I'll select that option here. And the next dialog that comes up is allowing me to add content. So I'm going to add some content that I know is going to exceed the capacity of one disk. And look, I have a warning down in the bottom, the lower right hand side of this dialog that says my content exceeds the capacity of the disk. I'm going to soldier on, and I get a message here that says the content you have chosen may exceed the disk capacity and would cause the project to fail. Would you like to allow the content to span multiple disks? Well, since that's what we're going to do here today, I'm going to say yes. The next step is to choose what I want printed on the disk. We're going to kind of race through this dialog. Oh wait, there's one thing I want to show you. You can barely see this, but down at the bottom of the disk, it will print a special a word or two down there that says this disk is 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. That lets you know that you do have a set of disks that your content has been spanned along. That's right at the bottom of the disk. You can see that there kind of faintly in that purple area. So I'm just going to say OK here, and we're going to get on to the process of making the disk where it shows me the different options that I have as I go through here. So now I'm going to say next, and that will tell the system to start submitting my job. And you can see I'll just make one copy of this disk. Then when I hit the record button, that actually submits the project to the Rimage system. And you can see I have a job up there that's now started, and it's preparing the files. And in just a minute, it's going to tell me here that it's assigning the files to a spanned volume, and then it'll tell me how many disks it's going to make. My guess is 2 based on the amount of content I put on there. Yes, you can see it says volume 1 of 2. Then what happens is from either disk, later after these disks are recorded and printed, I can put either disk in any PC, and without any special software or any special tools on my part to recombine the content, it'll simply list all the content available and let me pick what file I want. If the file I pick is on the other disk, it'll say please insert disk number 2, and any content I put on this spanned set of disks I can get back without having any special software or any special tools. It's that simple.